Microsoft 365 and Windows 11 together contain more built-in productivity tools than most people ever discover. From AI assistants across every Office app to automation workflows that run in the background, the features we are covering in this video are already available in your existing Microsoft subscription, and most of them take less than 5 minutes to set up. Let's get into it. Microsoft Copilot. Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant, and in 2026, it is integrated directly into Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams, rather than existing as a separate app you have to switch to. In Outlook, Copilot summarizes long email threads into a few bullet points, so you can understand the context of a conversation without reading every message. It also drafts replies based on the thread content with a single prompt. In Word, Copilot turns rough notes or a brief description into a full first draft. You provide the direction and the content. Copilot handles the initial structure and wording. You edit rather than write from scratch. In Excel, you can ask Copilot questions about your data in plain language. Type something like "Show me the top 5 performing months," and Copilot generates the formula, the filter, and a chart without you needing to build any of it manually. In PowerPoint, Copilot converts a written outline or a Word document into a complete slide deck with layouts, text, and suggested visuals already applied. Microsoft To Do and Planner. Microsoft To Do handles personal task management, and Planner handles team-level project tracking. Both sync with Outlook, so that flagged emails automatically become tasks without manual entry. The most useful feature in To Do for daily productivity is My Day. Each morning, open To Do and click My Day. You see a clean, empty view prompting you to intentionally choose which tasks you want to focus on today from your full task list. Drag the tasks you commit to completing into My Day. This daily planning ritual takes 2 to 3 minutes and converts a potentially overwhelming task list into a focused daily plan. When you flag an email in Outlook, it appears automatically in the flagged email section of To Do. This creates a direct pipeline from your inbox to your task list without any duplicate data entry. Windows 11 Snap Layouts and Snap Groups. Snap Layouts solve the most common multitasking problem on Windows, arranging multiple windows side by side without manually resizing and repositioning each one. Hover your cursor over the Maximize button in the top right corner of any open window. A layout menu appears showing 6 different split-screen arrangements. Click any layout zone and your window snaps to that position. Windows then prompts you to select which other open windows should fill the remaining zones. The entire multi-window arrangement is set up in about 10 seconds. Snap Groups remembers your arrangements. If you have a 2-window layout set up for a specific project and you minimize everything or switch to another task, hovering over either of those apps in the taskbar shows both windows as a group. Clicking the group restores the entire layout at once rather than reopening each window individually. Microsoft Teams and Loop Components. Teams centralizes communication, file sharing, and video meetings in one platform, reducing the email chains and context switching that fragment collaborative work across separate tools. The most underused feature within Teams is Loop Components. Inside any Teams chat or channel message, click the loop icon or type / and select a loop component. You can insert a live table, a checklist, a bulleted list, or a paragraph that multiple people can edit simultaneously in real time directly within the chat. The key feature of loop components is that they are portable and always in sync. The same loop component can be embedded in a Teams message, in an Outlook email, and in a OneNote page simultaneously. Any edit made in any of those locations updates instantly in all of them. For collaborative lists, project status tables, and shared checklists that need to stay current across multiple contexts, Loop removes the version management problem entirely. OneNote and Sticky Notes. OneNote is Microsoft's digital notebook, and it goes significantly deeper than most note-taking tools available at the free tier. The organizational structure of notebooks, sections, and pages mirrors a physical binder, but with search built in. Every word in every note is indexed and searchable, including text and images and handwritten notes if you are using a stylus. For students and professionals who take extensive notes across many topics, OneNote's organization depth and search capability makes it more functional than simpler tools. For quick capture that does not need to live in a notebook, sticky notes in Windows 11 are the fastest option. Open them by searching Sticky Notes in the Start menu. They appear on your desktop as colored notes, sync across your devices through your Microsoft account, and are accessible from inside OneNote and Outlook. Use them for temporary reminders, quick ideas, and information you need visible while working on something else. Microsoft Edge has 3 built-in features that most users ignore, but that meaningfully improve focused browsing and research sessions. Collections lets you save web pages, images, and notes into organized groups within the browser sidebar. Click the Collections icon in the top right of Edge, create a new collection, and add any page you are currently viewing with one click. Collections stay accessible across sessions and can be exported to Word or Excel when your research is complete. Vertical tabs moves your open tabs from the top of the browser to a collapsible sidebar on the left. For anyone with many tabs open simultaneously, the vertical list is significantly more readable than the narrow horizontal tabs that become impossible to distinguish from each other at high counts. Immersive Reader removes ads, sidebars, and navigation elements from any article or web page, leaving only the text and images in a clean reading view. Click the book icon in the address bar on any article page to activate it. Power Automate is Microsoft's workflow automation tool, and it is included in Microsoft 365 subscriptions. It connects Microsoft apps and hundreds of third-party services to create automated workflows that run without any manual intervention. The most accessible starting point is the pre-built templates available at powerautomate.microsoft.com. Search for templates related to your most repetitive tasks. Common examples include automatically saving email attachments to a OneDrive folder, receiving a Teams notification when a SharePoint file is modified, or creating a to-do task whenever you are mentioned in a Teams message. Each template is configured through a guided setup with no coding required. You connect your accounts, specify the conditions, and the automation runs in the background from that point forward. For anyone who regularly copies data between Microsoft apps or performs the same multi-step process repeatedly, Power Automate removes that manual work permanently. Power Toys for advanced Windows users. Power Toys is a free suite of utilities published by Microsoft that adds features to Windows that go beyond what the standard operating system provides. Download Power Toys from the Microsoft Store by searching Microsoft Power Toys. After installation, 2 features stand out for daily productivity. Fancy Zones extends snap layouts by letting you define completely custom window zones on your screen. Instead of the 6 preset layouts, you design your own grid with zones of any size in any position. Once defined, hold Shift while dragging any window, and it snaps to your custom zones. Power Rename allows bulk file renaming with search and replace logic applied to entire folders at once. Right-click any selection of files in Windows Explorer and select Power Rename. Type the text you want to find in file names and what to replace it with. Preview shows you exactly how all selected file names will change before you confirm. For organizing large numbers of files with inconsistent naming, Power Rename does in seconds what would take hours manually. Snipping Tool and OCR. The Windows Snipping Tool has been updated significantly and now includes a feature that most users do not know about: text extraction from screenshots using optical character recognition. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to capture any portion of your screen. After capturing, click the notification that appears in the bottom right corner to open the screenshot in the Snipping Tool editor. Look for the Text Actions button in the toolbar. Click it, and Snipping Tool automatically detects and highlights all text in the screenshot. Click Copy All Text to copy every detected word to your clipboard, or click specific lines to copy only what you need. This is practical for extracting text from images, PDFs without selectable text, photos of whiteboards or printed documents, and any situation where you need text that is visually present but not copyable through standard selection. Focus Sessions is a built-in productivity feature in Windows 11 that combines a Pomodoro-style timer with Do Not Disturb, music, and Microsoft To Do task integration in a single interface. Open the Clock app from the Start menu and click Focus Sessions. Set your desired focus duration and optionally select a task from your Microsoft To-Do list to work on during the session. Click Start Focus Session. Windows automatically activates Do Not Disturb to silence notifications. The timer counts down on screen, and Spotify or other connected music services can play focus music in the background. When the session ends, Windows surfaces a break reminder and logs your completed session. Your focus history is tracked, so you can see how many focused hours you are accumulating over days and weeks. The Microsoft ecosystem in 2026 has more productivity capability built in than most users realize, and most of it is already included in the subscription or the operating system. Start with Copilot in Outlook and To-Do's My Day feature, because those two changes alone will noticeably improve how you process email and plan your day. Add the rest as the use cases come up. If this helped, drop a comment below and let us know which feature you are going to try first. And for more Microsoft and productivity guides like this one, make sure you subscribe.